Luke, as you know, Hobby UAV is turning 10 this year, and we thought we'd celebrate by going out to industry and asking people. And I'll ask you now, what are you most proud of in the last 10 years of working in drones?
Look, I mean, 10 years ago, I probably didn't even know what a drone was.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And to be honest, this little bit of an idea that I had about using drones for mustering livestock, one of the first people that I came into contact with was Jackie.
Mm-hmm.
And I think something really cool about Jackie, you always remember first impressions.
Yeah.
Jackie, me being a nobody,
Yeah.
gave me the time.
Yeah.
She had the time of day for me, even if it was a bit of a random idea. Drone mustering. She's like, great, well, this is that, talk to this person.
Yeah.
So that was not even 10 years ago, but in the last sort of 3 to 4 years, one of the proudest things I think was getting the first BVLOS approval for mustering livestock in Australia. And we did that with Hobby UAV. This is not an ad for Hover.
No, not at all.
Honest,
Not at all, guys.
probably
But
something like the with SkyKelpie, on LinkedIn, it's like,
Yeah.
the first two.
Yeah.
It's all about the first, isn't it?
it is. They can.
So we were the first for that, and we were the first for a mobile remote op center, which you also helped me with.
Yep.
And I believe our BVLOS was your first BVLOS.
Yeah, so that's why it was important for me to get into this interview with you, unlike some of the others, because your first BVLOS was my first time approaching BVLOS as a consultant, and what a process it was, and what a process it's turned out to be all these years. But it's really good to hear about what you've accomplished, especially in a short time that I've also been in the industry.
Yeah.
But I do want to ask a little bit about the future, Luke. What do you think's next for the next 10 years, even just in your sector?
Well, what I think, and probably linking into your previous question as well, is what I'm proud of is the adoption of drones in agriculture.
Yeah.
When we talk about drones in agriculture, we do think about spraying and farming, but this whole, use of drones for livestock monitoring and mustering, something that I see into the future is basically it being quite standard.
Yeah.
Most livestock operators just to have a drone on the shelf.
Yeah.
And when we talk about drones for mustering, we don't talk about, it's the be-all, end-all. You still need to integrate it into your operations.
Yeah.
You still need horses, bikes, different personnel to help you.
Yeah.
But drones can make it more efficient and safe. So I'm really proud about the adoption that we've had this far. We've got hundreds of customers all over Australia. But I think where it's going is, I do think that, drones, very effective tool.
Yeah.
And most people are just going to have one there on the shelf.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, thank you very much for taking the time to talk to us, Luke.